Yeah, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking it out one after the other right here in this video. If you are just joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, if you have any question, you can also drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me personally on WhatsApp. Okay, so I will be there to reply you. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. So like I said earlier today, that this is going to buy. We had this setup since yesterday, and we did follow up on it this morning. Okay, so this happened to be our entry point, and of course this happened to be our support region. TP1 achieved 2, 3, 4, and the last TP5 also achieved it. It even went ahead to go further. Okay, but right now it has not been able to break out from here. Sorry about that. It has not been able to break out from, let me close that, from A. So it's trying to switch back into a downtrend. Okay, it might sell for a while, probably get into this region, and may want to pull back again. And if it breaks out above this resistance zone, it will keep on buying. But if it does not, then it will go back down and sell fully. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is selling at the moment. Okay, you should follow up with it, but it is selling at the moment. Okay, so the next asset is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999. It started buying at the early hour of today. Okay, and of course bought till it got to this region, and it was unable to break out from here because of the resistance zone around here. So it switched back into a downtrend, and I quickly came up with this setup, the entry point and the stop loss, and this is the target, and it is still buying. I'm using a single target this time around, and it is still buying. Of course, I expect you guys to trail it up as it is going. Okay, so it is still buying, it is still selling right now, because this is meant for it to sell. Okay, so it is still selling, and hopefully I believe it's going to achieve this target. So once it's achieved it, then you can close your trade at that point. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is really beautiful selling at the moment, and I'm really happy about that. Now we will move on to the next assets right from there, which is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 1200. We've been on this trade for days now, and it is still selling, as you can see, and it is still selling, guys. It is still very much on downtrend. So I can take it up to 1 hour time frame to see where it is actually heading to. I think checking it out on 4 hours time frame will do a good justice to that. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, guys, just where we are seeing this is trying to get to the last support zone. If it's get there and it's unable to break out from there, in short, I expect it to start buying right from there. So this is still selling at the moment. It might not be for a very long time, most especially because it is very close to the support region. Okay, so if it's unable to break out from the support region, then it will start buying from there. Okay, now let's check out PayNext 999. Okay, so guys, this is PayNext 999. PayNext 999 also did a good job for us. Okay, right from this resistance zone, it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend and started selling, and we had our entry point around there, and of course the stop loss around there. And we actually made use of two TP setup. Okay, this is the first one, and here is the second one. Both of them have been achieved. Okay, and this is a very long trading opportunity, and I'm really happy we are able to achieve this. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, except if it's unable to break out from the support region. That is when it's going to buy. Now let's check out FX volume 80. I don't really like this movement on FX volume 80, but the movements have been more of a downtrend than an uptrend, even though there are so many short pullbacks in between. Okay, so that is even the movement I don't really like, but it's been more of a downtrend than than an uptrend. Okay, so I'm going to take it to 1 hour time frame just for us to see what is really happening right there. Okay, so you can see what we are actually expecting it to do is for it to break out above here in order for us to buy more. That is what we have been waiting for, but it has been finding difficult to break out above it fully. Okay, so it has been ranging within this region for a very long time, and it is still doing that. Okay, so let's see what will really happen if it's able to pull back up and go back to the resistance zone and break out from there, so that we can have long buying opportunity, because all these plays are free to milk. Okay, so it's going to be a juicy opportunity if that happens. Okay, but for now this is still selling, if even though I expect it to buy any moment from there. Okay, and try to break out from the resistance zone. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my trading videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.